Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the new feature on InShot in 2024. Okay, one of the new feature is we can add glow effect to our text on InShot. So first of all, let's just add the text. We can tap on the text option, then tap on the text option again. And for example, I'm going to type InShot. Okay, and if we want to add glow effect to our text, we can tap on this color option. Okay, and you can simply tap on the glow option to add the glow effect, and here you can select the type of the glow effect that you would like to use, and I'm gonna go with this one. We can adjust the glowing effect as well. I'm going to increase it, and we can also change the color. For example, I'm going to select orange. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button. Alright guys, and as you can see that the glow effect has been applied to our text on InShot, and that's how we can apply glow effect to our text on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.